There we go. So yeah, this is the monthly. So this is the monthly Clayton County Community Resource Network meeting. Now there is a Clayton County Family Connection meeting that's run by Mr. John Brinson. So like I said, I definitely don't want to, but they at least my knowledge, they don't meet regularly. So just for my edification, for my you know, just my benefit. I do community marketing in Clayton County. It's just a way for me to have just a monthly meeting of the nonprofits and other service providers and entities that operate within Clayton County, so we can know. So I can know what's going on, and I can let some of the other people know what's going on. So my name is Reginald Johnson. For those of you who don't know, I do community marketing for CareSource. I'm also a part of the DeKalb County Family Connection, so I do a lot of things over there, and I cover several counties around the area. So just wanted to have this opportunity to let people know what's going on, and we are hopefully, well, not hopefully, yeah, we are planning on doing in-person meetings going forward in May and what have you. So I do that. Give a couple more people. I want to give Mr. Barksdale, Keith Barksdale, and Aisha Watson. Not come on there. A couple of really great resources that we have here. So. Okay, so, darn, it's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so what I'll do is it's 12:06. I'll go ahead and I just kind of like get it started. It is being recorded, so as I say, I will make this recording available for. Hey, I usually I see you waving in the background. Hey. So what I'll do is since pretty much everybody is new for right now. Chris, since you're the first one I'll see, I'll let you come on, introduce yourself, tell everybody what it is that you're doing. You can talk about the event that we have that we're partnering with over in with the project. Yes, movie night.
Yeah, that's right. All right. Hello, my name is Chris White. I am with Father Movement. We serve as fathers, so we provide parenting classes, couple coaching sessions, and we do that through Healthy Start programs. And we also work with Morehouse School of Medicine's Project Dine. Project Dine works with Clayton County Public Health and their Healthy Start program. Hey, Jennifer. And what we do is we're offering a health intervention study. Morehouse School of Medicine is studying the impact of involving dads in the health and nutrition of their families and how that impacts overall and long-term health. And so they're studying at these different sites. And as kind of a thank you and opportunity to get some excitement about the program and get people signed up, we have rented out a movie theater. So on Memorial Drive, over there, like kind of Edgewood area of Atlanta, we rented out a movie theater. We're partnering with CareSource and Reggie, and we thank you for that. And we're renting this movie theater out for all expecting moms in Clayton, Atlanta, and Cobb Douglas who participate in the Project Dine study. So it should be a really cool event. Fun family field event. We're gonna watch the new Doctor Strange movie. I keep trying to think of like there it is. What was it?
Multiverse of Madness.
Doctor Strange, Multiverse of Madness. I keep thinking I should just start saying Doctor Strange 2 because I cannot remember. But yes, as you see, Sunday, May 15th. So please let anybody you know who's expecting that they are invited to this. They need to register because they do need to participate in the study before they actually get their tickets. So you can have them use that QR code that's on the flyer, reach out to us. We'll happy be calling them back, and we'll get that taken care of. So yeah, that's what we do. And I'm happy to be on this call. Thank you for inviting me, Reggie.
No problem, no problem. Thank you very much for logging on and attending. I just let you know, like I say, this is still relatively new. The idea we do this every third Wednesday of the month. We're going to look forward to getting back in person again. But just so talk a little bit about Project Don and tell everybody what that is and who's eligible and how they get into that.
Thank you. Yeah.
You breaking
partner.
Oh, Chris, you're breaking up. I can barely hear you. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna give Chris an opportunity to come back on, and I guess since we're segue into that, April or Jennifer from the health department, could you come on and introduce? Hold on.
Did you call on me, Reggie?
Yeah, I just because yeah, Chris, we can. I don't know if anybody else. I can't really hear him. Can y'all hear him or?
Yeah, he's kind of breaking up.
Yeah, you're breaking up. So I guess April, I'll give Chris an opportunity to come back. And April and Jennifer, just let us know about the health department.
Good afternoon. We are currently in the process of trying to plan a car seat check Saturday event where we'll be partnering with the Atlanta Fire Rescue Team. We're looking to have that event at Sam's. It hasn't been finalized, but once we get everything finalized with that event, we will be sharing those flyers throughout the community.
Okay, can you come back, Chris? Okay. All right, so, okay, yeah, April, definitely send me that information. That sounds like something I would like to be a part of with CareSource. So let me know what that is, and we can go from there. Ms. Trina Cole, I see you on your new The Best of Clayton County. You come introduce us. You probably know everybody here already. I don't know, but just let people know what it is that you do and what The Best of Clayton County is, and tell me about the program that you have.
Well, hello, everyone. I actually do not know everyone here, so it's nice to meet you guys. I'm Trina with The Best of Clayton County, and we primarily involve ourselves with community engagement. So we do that in a variety of ways and through different avenues. This is my first time on the meeting, so thank you, Reggie, so much for inviting me. I think this is a really great thing that you're doing, bringing people together in the community. So that's about it. I have my contact information in the chat box, my phone number and email if you guys want to connect and discuss about collaborating, partnering, anything like that. We just love to get involved in the community. We also have a new volunteer group. And so we've been doing a lot lately with our volunteer group, which has been a lot of fun also. So I'm open for conversations. Contact me anytime.
Yes, and you also do the Facebook the banners, the business banners for the Facebook page, right?
Oh yes, yes. So that's one thing that I have like a variety of business services for business owners, kind of a way to help them start off on the best foot that they could possibly start off on, which includes the bare minimum, and like that includes a banner or a Facebook cover for your business page. A lot of business owners, they don't have a professional Facebook cover for their Facebook pages for their businesses or organizations. We also provide headshots. A lot of business owners are still using selfies and and they
Like
still don't
me?
have.
I need that.
Yeah, they still don't have a professional headshot. So we provide those services, all extremely reasonable because we didn't start doing it for, it's not really for profit. It's just something that I would see in the community, and I wanted to help make it a little easier for new business owners to just start off on the right foot. So if you are interested in any of those services, professional flyers or anything like that, you could just contact me, email me, and we get you set up.
Yeah, and I definitely wanted to invite her because I connected with her on Facebook. The best of Clayton County. I mean, that is one of the tools I use that I'll see them post events and a lot of volunteer opportunities that are going on down there. So I want to get plugged in so I can get my events on the out in the network so people can see, because as I say, that's just the way that I find out about it. So Clayton County is a huge county, so that's really wanted to plug her in, so y'all see her contact information there. I see Chris is back on, so I'll give you an opportunity to finish what you were saying, because yeah, we could barely hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, perfectly.
Okay, perfect. So I don't know where you left off or where I lost you at, but essentially, yeah, we were talking about who's eligible for Project Dine, and it's just really any expecting African-American mother and their partner who are also a part of a Healthy Start. So even if they're not a part of Healthy Start and they come to us, we will refer them over and get them connected with the right people at Clayton County, and they can join the Healthy Start program and then become eligible. So yeah, we'd love to see everybody come out. We want to fill that theater up. We'll be providing some snacks in addition to the movie. And then for those that complete their surveys, they'll have the opportunity to receive their first disbursement of that $100 that they received participating in the study.
Okay, all right. Don't put too many in people's pockets and educating them as well. So
exactly.
That's great. And Project Dine, this is not just Clayton County. What other counties
Yep.
can
so it's in Clayton, Atlanta, Fulton, because Atlanta is DeKalb, and so Atlanta, Fulton, Cobb, and Douglas.
Okay.
And then it's also down in Columbus, Georgia, and Valdosta as well. But those are the people in Atlanta Metro: Clayton, Atlanta, Fulton, Cobb, Douglas.
Okay, yeah, and I still need to go do the meeting with our reps in Columbus and the Valdosta area so we can get that. Now the Project Dine, the flyers that you gave me, can I share that with them, or is that just for the Atlanta?
No, 100%. Yeah, you can share that.
Okay.
Yep. Because so basically you have so Atlanta and Clayton and Valdosta are all they're all control sites. So they don't do any classes. Cobb and Columbus do classes. So they actually get paid $200, but they have to go to 8 sessions.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah. So you put that information in the chat box. If you have any website or anything, I have a bunch of flyers. I've been sharing them. I can put it out there. I'm definitely sharing the link for the movie night. Looking forward to seeing as many people out there. As I said, really hope this movie doesn't suck. So
yeah, me too. I like the first one, so this should be good. Most of those Marvel movies are pretty good. They're solid.
Yes. Spider-Man was really good. I like Spider-Man. The Eternals. So hopefully this is more along the lines of Spider-Man and less about the Eternals.
You're right. Yeah, Eternals is kind of they were stretching there.
Okay, so T from Underground Madness, I see you up there, man. You still tired from the event we did Saturday? you still wore out?
Yes, I am still wore out and have to clean the house, pack up stuff that we, have from the event so I can use for next year. But hello everyone, how's it going?
Hey.
I'm new to the Clayton County. This is my first time here. And I just want to.
Your first time on a virtual. The first time on a virtual, you was at the first one.
But on a virtual, yeah. But yeah, I'm Triple T, well, Tamelia, with Underground Madness. And what we do, we service small business and entrepreneurs and brands get where they need to be as far as starting their business, as far as graphics, flyers. We mostly focus on branding with the media production side. So we do commercials, live broadcasting. We own ATL TV Network, which is the app where you can download to Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, all mobile devices such as Androids and iPhones. So we do a lot within the community. I am an event planner. I've been doing Underground Madness for a long time, although we are for profitable, but we do give back to the community all the time. So like Reggie say that they sponsored the Easter egg extravaganza that I actually put together, and it was a great success. We had partnered with Midway, and we had DeKalb County to come out and do some vaccination. And Reggie, that's what I'm doing now, was editing. So I'm editing up on just like a promo for the event that actually, for the event and everything. And then the live premiere, I will have a flyer for the live premiere for just for the actual event as well. But yeah, that's what I do for anyone that needs assistance with event planning, media production, live broadcasting. I do come out to your event and I broadcast live for 2 hours on the network. If you do have your own show or podcast that you're thinking about, I do come and set up for that production as well. As far as branding, we do have like a live brand infomercial like channel on ATL TV Network. And we doing infomercials for all brands where you get 30-minute segments to talk about your brand, promote everything you need. You have product, you have your whole 30-minute segment, and we do live premieres for that. And plus we have on-demand content on ATL TV Network. So I'm basically just here to extend my service to anybody. Definitely would like to come and partner and extend my service with Clayton County. Oh yeah.
Some of the pictures that we had. Oh, hold on, wait a minute.
Yeah, but that was a great event that was put together, and I would love to like come to different counties and actually put together events there for the community. So any assistance that you guys need, and for my services, commercial advertising as well as like we focus on that and broadcast and media production, graphics. And that's it. I put my info in the chat box. But yes, we had a great turnout. We actually had kid vendors there. We had an Easter egg extravaganza. It was big. We had Easter egg hunt. We had face paint. We had real live bunnies. We had arts and crafts. And we had an Easter egg hunt. So that was pretty big though.
Yeah, it was huge. Yeah, I love it.
Source for coming in. So I will be doing my 9th back to school drive once school for this year, and I would love for you guys to participate and be a part of the event. And again, we do air everything on TV, so it'll be great to also advertise your brand as well. So thanks, Reggie.
No, thank you. Thank you. That was magnificent. Love it. Love it. Okay, Miss Pamela Wilkes, I know you say you're driving. Are you able to come in and talk about, introduce yourself? Did you have something to say?
Yeah. Where's the location for the back to school drive?
I actually go to different locations. So I haven't figured out where I would be this year. But okay. Midway actually want me to come back to Decatur. They want me to come back there to Decatur, which is pretty great. It's a nice gym, and but I'm open. As well. And so yeah, definitely I'm open to partner Ashley to assist if whatever I can be there, to donate. I'm here, So if you want to partner and do some things in Cobb County, put together nice things, we could definitely do that. I'm very open to put events together. And that's what I believe in, like like marketing, getting more hands-on with the community, as well, and give away some good giveaways and stuff. So yeah, I'm with it. So I'm waiting to see when school will be back in, but right now, I am looking for sponsors for that. So Reggie, I will be sending you another proposal, sir.
Okay, yeah. So speaking of school, we do have Miss Pam Wilk. She's part of the Clayton County school system. She said she is driving, so she probably can't come on. But I know we are partnering with talk with her about some upcoming events. I know she works closely with the Epilepsy Foundation, as well as and I did get the information about working with the NICU, supporting the nurses who work in the NICU unit, and doing that because my daughter, she's 19 now, but she spent 3 months in the NICU when she was a baby. So trust me, I know how that is. So really want to get some information about that to support some of them. Want to share another upcoming event at CareSource that we are partnering with. Hold on, let me get this share on. This is at can y'all see this?
No.
Is at a place
called
it's called Jonesy's Place in Forest Park. This is called Paper and Pen My Grief. We are partnering with an organization called young lady named Siobhan Noel. She's a grief counselor, and what they do is they do several events around grief and what have you, dealing with grief. So this is something that we're partnering with her on. You see, this is on Saturday, April 30th at 7 over Forest Park. And another thing through I know I see April and Jennifer are on through the Healthy Generations, the Clayton County Community Action Network meeting in May. We are partnering to do several maternal mental health events around the county. One of my partners of the Wild Birth, Crystal Reese, I invited her. She may be, she probably couldn't log on today, but I know she's going to partner. I will be reaching out. I left a message with Nicole Hemphill from the, I can stop this. Nicole from the health department, the maternal, try to do some things in conjunction with them. So maybe reaching out to some people to help support that as well. Jennifer, I don't know if you can come on. We are doing the Heart Initiative with Clayton, with First Team America. That's where we're working to train community health workers to support mothers, prenatal, postpartum, and what have you. I know y'all had a meeting about that yesterday. I don't know if there's any information, if you were there, any information you can share, but I know we're gonna unveil it next week, to the world. But I don't know if there's any information you can come on and share about that or anything.
Okay, well, we did meet yesterday. We walked through our timeline. And I can just put this out there in the atmosphere. What we're going to do is we're going to start advertising to recruit individuals that are interested in going through the Community Health Workers Program training. Mm-hmm. We're going to use Healthy Starts Community Health Program, the training they utilize to train the managers and all of those. So they're going to utilize that. So what we're going to start doing is we're looking for in all approximately 35 to 45 people that can go through that training. Mm-hmm. So we'll be putting that information out as well, so that you all can always be interested in Clayton County that's interested in participating in the community health workers training.
Okay,
so
yeah.
Great partnership. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. And that's how I started, like going through community health worker pro. I started doing that way back in 19 whatever, you know, and getting out there, and it's a great opportunity because like that's the epitome of grassroots, because you start with the community, and as Ms. Nanette said, we start like the get the family members, because they can do things for the members and the people that we can't, because they have that personal connection. And you know, I started doing that, and that made, you know, fuel my passion for community work. And here I am all these years later. So that's, yeah, really want to get that program. So you said 45 people, so if we can get that information out there and get enough people plugged into that, and we can get it up and running, definitely looking forward to it. So
Right, and it is self-paced and it is online. So, but they will, you know, once you sign up, they will provide you with more information. But something else I would like to tell too is that I pretty much work with programs, and so I wanted to let everybody know that we have an adolescent health and youth development program where we're looking for youth, middle school and high schoolers that are interested in going through one of the two curriculums, Making Proud Choices or Making a Difference. Making a Difference is concerning abstinence, teaching teens how to be abstinent. But high schoolers, that's for middle schoolers. For high schoolers, we have Making Proud Choices. And so they go through that curriculum, and then they go through several modules of what is called flash curriculum. If a child completes the program, 75% of the program, then they're eligible to receive a $100 incentive. So that's one thing. Then we have the chronic disease prevention program. So we're trying to get information out on more so on physical activity, nutrition, how to eat healthy, where to possibly go get more healthier foods, especially those who are living in a food desert. How can we work and assist and help them? The other project is SNAP Ed, where we provide educational, nutritional classes to women that live in Clayton County who possibly receive food stamps, or who lives in a food desert that necessarily have to receive food stamps but live in a food desert. So we have that program. Then we have our Healthy Generations project. So, you know, you all have kind of talked about that. Nicole is out for this week. So if you called her this week, then maybe that's why she hasn't gotten back with you. Mm-hmm. And then we have what is called SNAP Project. We are contracted by Morehouse School of Medicine to be able to do, to identify parents of middle schoolers and high schoolers. What they're doing is that they're taking people who have curriculums that, I know a lot of times when we see that it's an evidence-based curriculum, they're working with them to try to get their curriculums for parents to become evidence-based. If it becomes evidence-based, then what happens is that if whoever puts out a grant and they want to use, those curriculum could be on the list as evidence-based curriculum for people to use. And I guess it's determining on the person who has that curriculum, how they will set it up. I've seen people charge anywhere from $25,000 to use that curriculum. And then you have an annual fee. So however that is. So they're trying to identify parents of middle schoolers and high schoolers to test these various interventions, these various curricula, and then they are paid for each module that they go through and complete and give feedback on. So we are looking for parents that have children that are middle schoolers or high schoolers. And then we also we were funded by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Office of Minority Health, for a COVID grant as to advancing health literacy and to talk about COVID. So therefore, that is some of the things that we're doing. So right now we have a community toolkit that we're trying to get out to the community. It's We have it in 2 forms, but we want them to go through the toolkit. It's like a flipping book that they can go through, click on, and they have various information. How to date during COVID, find it, how to parent during COVID, how to go to work and be safe during COVID, how to travel during COVID, terms that you will hear during COVID, after COVID, how to prepare for a doctor's appointment, things that you need to do, because what happens is a lot of times we are not involved in the medical decisions that when you go to the doctor, he'll just come in and say, you have diabetes, we're putting you on the medication. They don't know, that's all they know. So how do we better educate physicians to have communication with the patient so that they can be involved in the medical decision, as well as how to educate the patient on how to become more involved, how to prepare, how to write your questions down, how to have your medications, information on your history, so that when you go in, you're able to present that information to them. And then one more initiative, we have a health equity COVID initiative. And so those initiatives are going to be working together, the 2 COVID initiatives, but we're trying to get more information out into the community, address vaccine hesitancy, how to address misinformation that people are hearing and seeing on social media, and if possible, get more shots in the arms, as well as, if not, how to better talk to them so that they can protect themselves to not get COVID, or if they do, how to be able to survive. So I know a lot of times people feel like that the pandemic is over. It's not over by a long shot. And I think people are letting their guard down, and we still have people dying from COVID. We still have people testing positive for COVID. So how do we get that information out to the community here in Clayton County so that they can be better prepared?
Okay, yeah. So you hopefully I will be getting all that in the email and that good stuff, because I think some of those initiatives, especially the health equity, I would definitely like to see if there's ways that CareSource can participate in that and be a part of that to get the word out. And so all those initiatives, you can send me some information about that. I would love that.
All right, then what we can do is that when you want to have a conversation, let me know. And we can figure out how we can work together and some of the things that we can do.
All right. That is so magnificent. That is so awesome. And along with the other things that y'all do at the health department, I know y'all have like the prep. Y'all still do the self HIV testing kits. Y'all have the home COVID testing kits, all that good stuff.
Yes, I mean, yeah. So we still make sure that people have vaccinations. The testing site is now in at Rock Spring Baptist Church over on Reynolds Road in Morrow, over there by the Walmart in Morrow, but they do our testing for DPH. And so what we're trying to do is just make sure that we get the word out. So yeah, we're still doing some things, but others we've had, the state has contracted with others to do those things.
All right. Well, thank you much. Well, according to the time meter here, we have about a little over 4 minutes left in the meeting. So I guess that's pretty much everything. Unless anybody has anything they want to add, I will, as I said, I will convert this and I will upload it. So if anybody has any, if y'all have any questions or anything, I will. What I do is the attendees, I take note and I put take note of who was here. So if anybody, you missed anything, you want to know who was that person, I'll send out the email list and the contact information to everybody so y'all can have that going forward. The next meeting is slated for, it will be Wednesday, May 18th. Definitely going to try to see if we can do that at like a hybrid meeting, do that in person. I know Mr. Keith Barksdale, who's one of our partners down there, this is him texting me now. Darn, I forgot this. Well, he has a church in Riverdale, so we may be meeting there. But I will be sending information out. If anybody has any questions, y'all have my contact information. Thank everybody for logging on, and I'll see y'all next month.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.